Yashri, can you tell what is momentum? Hello, Yashri, what is momentum?
Sir, it is the force applied amount,
No,
value of force
momentum
applied.
is product of mass and velocity. What is momentum? Product of mass and velocity. What is SI unit, Shamyan, of momentum?
Yes, sir. It is kg meter per second.
Kg meter per
Kg meter per
second.
second.
Very good, very good. To produce motion in the body, what we should give? To produce motion in the body,
Force.
what we should give?
External unbalanced force.
अरे वाह, सुपर
Unbalanced
बोला, सुपर बोल दिया, मस्त. Now Newton performed 2 experiments and he proved that force and acceleration are directly proportional.
Yes.
Nimay? Hello Nimay?
Yes, sir.
We are doing chapter number 3 ka C part, huh? Then I will send all the recorded lecture in 2 days. Go through it. Any doubt you ask me on Tuesday.
Okay, okay.
F is proportional A. Who proved? I or Newton?
Newton.
Also it depends upon mass. Correct now?
Yes.
So if I combine both, can I say force depends upon 2 things?
MA.
Force depends upon MA. Whenever you remove this proportionality sign,
F is equals to constant MA.
some constant we have to write. Where what is K? K is constant. If all the values all quantities are in same system of unit. What is meaning of same system of units?
SI
Either
system or
CGS,
CGS system.
SI.
all should be same. You can't take force in SI, mass in CGS. So all are in same system of unit. Then value of K is found to be 1. So I can say therefore F equal to MA. This is mathematical expression of Newton's second law of motion. So if they say what is mathematical expression for Newton's second law of motion, F equal to ma. Everybody had the breakfast in the morning?
No, sir.
Yes.
नहीं sir,
Your
करना
voice
है.
froze.
I said you all had breakfast in the morning? Not yet?
Not yet.
No dhokda, no papla, fafda, jalebi?
No, sir.
No sir.
अच्छा अच्छा, confidence मत डाल. I think Abhik has gone to eat papda.
Sir,
Yes, Bhavesh, eh? Devesh?
it was Medharj.
अच्छा अच्छा. Medhaj?
Yes, sir.
Have you taken bath?
No, sir.
Okay, after next independence you will take, I think. School teacher has completed till which topic?
She has completed the chapter. She's doing numericals.
So fast. My
सर टीचर फुल स्पीड में भगाती है, कुछ नहीं समझता.
बाप रे, इतना करके न्यूमेरिकल भी कर दिया चालू.
सर हमारा 3B समझा है अब तक.
हाँ 3.
3B से समझा है अब तक हमारे क्लास में.
अच्छा अच्छा. Because you have 4 chapters, no, in the exam. But see, if everybody has performed excellently, there is Arav drastic improvement in you. Arav,
Yeah, sir.
drastic improvement. I want just
Thank
slight
you, sir.
more improvement. Yes. Khushbu,
Yes, sir.
any doubt, difficulty?
No.
By the way, happy Independence Day to you all.
Yeah, sir. Thank you, sir.
Independence
Day.
Happy
Okay.
Independence Day.
Thank you. Thank
Sir?
you. Thank you. Yes, yes.
Our school told that maybe they'll add heat and sound also.
ऐसा झटका मत दो, जोर का झटका जोर से लगेगा.
सर हम लोग को लास्ट क्लास ही बोला.
हीट भी और साउंड भी.
अब तक हम लोग कुछ क्वेश्चन बोला ही नहीं है, सिर्फ बोल रहे हैं सब करेंगे सब करेंगे.
No, but heat is small chapters. That's why don't worry, we'll keep extra lectures, but we'll not run because this all are the base for 11, 12 physics.
स्कूल को पता नहीं पूरे साल का क्वेश्चन अभी खत्म कर देना है.
फ्रेंड ने भी 6 चैप्टर रखा है एग्जाम में. Only 4 they are keeping for second half.
Sir will show
Done.
6 chapters. Yeah, sir, done.
Everybody is done.
Sir,
Done.
one second.
Done.
Sir, 1 second.
Okay. Medans fast. Medans.
Yeah, sir.
Do fast. आज फाफड़ा जलेबी का पार्टी है अपना.
Yeah, sir, I'm done writing.
Others have done.
Sir, 1 second. Yes.
Okay. Come on, quick.
Yeah, sir.
चलो. We did 2 graphs. One was when mass constant, other was when acceleration constant. Now third graph. Graph of acceleration versus mass when F is constant. Since F is ma, so constant is ma, constant upon mass equal to A, that is A is constant upon M. This means A is inversely proportional to M. Followed?
Yes, sir.
Everybody is followed. Yashri, Vedansh,
Yeah.
inversely
How
proportional. Constant upon mass equal to constant becomes proportional, na?
Sir, how constant upon how F became constant?
No, we are assuming if F is M is constant. 3 ग्राफ है ना? If M constant, if A constant, if F constant. तो F अगर सेम दिया 3 बॉडी को, एक का वजन 1 kg, दूसरे का 10 kg, तीसरे का 100 kg, कौन ज्यादा स्पीड में भागेगा? फर्स्ट वाला. हाँ, कौन स्पीड में भागेगा? सबको सेम फोर्स दिया 10 न्यूटन.
फर्स्ट वाला.
हाँ, मतलब फर्स्ट वाले का मास लेस, इसका स्पीड ज्यादा मतलब चेंज इन वेलोसिटी ज्यादा ना.
एक्सेलरेशन ज्यादा.
यस. तो मास छोटा, एक्सेलरेशन मोटा. मास मोटा, एक्सेलरेशन छोटा, प्रोवाइडेड सेम फोर्स वी आर गिविंग. तो A is inversely proportional to M वाला ग्राफ चाहिए. Whenever A and M are inversely proportional, then the graph is a curve like this. Acceleration is decreasing, 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 decreasing when mass is increasing. This is called curve. So this is graph when f is constant. Is it straight line or curve? Curve. If it is directly proportional, then always straight line.
Straight.
Always straight line. But inverse then curve. ये curve का एक नाम है. 12th में you study rectangular hyperbola. कौन सा बोला?
Hyperbola.
Rectangular hyperbola. कौन सा बोला?
Rectangular hyperbola.
This is bola or gola?
Bola.
Bola. This is circle. So whenever no bola, then closed curve. Bola, then it is open curve like this. So in 12th we'll study. Copy diagram again. If there is any doubt, Shamyang, Bhavya, Arab, Abhik, Nimay. It's really raining very heavily.
Yeah, sir, my entire half of the house ka Wi-Fi is gone because of this.
Acha, acha. Take care, take care.
Shift rooms.
Say thanks to all, even on Independence Day, I didn't give you independence. Sorry, yeah.
No, sir, at 9 o'clock also there's another school thing that I have to attend.
अरे बाप रे.
सर वैसे भी फ्लैग होइस्टिंग के लिए अभी कौन जाएगा नीचे, कितनी भीड़ होगी.
So best is with the
चार
Spitex
क्लास
you
है
got up
मेरा.
early in the morning.
सर मेरा कंटिन्यूस 4 क्लास है.
अरे बंक मारो आज. बोलो आज इंडिपेंडेंट है.
अरे नहीं सर, जाना पड़ेगा.
अरे बिंदास बाहर देने का ऐसा है. बोलने क्या बचेगा, जान लेंगे क्या? नहीं नहीं, I am joking. Otherwise you'll say other. My physics sir told don't attend today's lecture.
Yeah, sir, done.
Done. Everybody is done. Yes, done.
Awesome.
Okay, I'm rubbing now. Arab completed. Khushbu.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. Okay. Define 1 Newton. SI unit of force is Newton. Now we want to define 1 Newton. What is force? Is it Ma? MA?
Yes, sir.
So if force is 1 Newton, then mass is 1 kg into acceleration is 1 meter per second square.
Yes, sir.
So can I say 1 Newton is force? What is 1 Newton?
Yes, sir.
Force which acts on body whose mass is how much? 1 kg and produces acceleration of
1 meter per
1 meter per second.
yes. So 1 Newton is that force which when acts on a body of mass how many kg?
1 kg.
Yes, and produces
1 Newton, 1 meter per second.
and
square.
produces acceleration of 1
1
meter
meter per second.
per
square.
second square. Please copy. Bhavya, what time you get up every day? Morning 6?
No, sir.
Sharp at 8 you rang me. Thank you. Coming Sunday, no lecture or Raksha Bandhan, all sisters will kill me.
Yeah.
Sir,
Yes, Vitu.
what is after acceleration of
1 meter per second square. This is 1 meter second raised to minus 2.
it's okay, sir. That is looking like 3.
Oh, my apology. Those who have done, then they will write next 1 dyne. Define 1 dyne.
The first part they used to tell us when we did not know what is acceleration now. They used to tell us 1 Newton is that force which when acts on a body of mass 1 kg and produces an acceleration produces a motion of 1 meter in 1 second.
Who said this?
अलग तरह से नहीं, when we did not know acceleration now
अच्छा.
in lower grades तो ऐसे
Okay.
समझाते थे कि 1 meter in 1 second.
1 dyne means what? 1 dyne is force which will act on body of mass 1 gram and produce acceleration of 1 centimeter per second square. So 1 dyne is that force. 1 dyne, 1 dyne, 1 dyne, 1 dyne. 1 dyne is that force which when acts on body of mass 1 gram, produces acceleration of 1 centimeter second raised to minus. Copy 1 dyne.
Centimeter in above second length.
Yeah. See, there is in 10 standard 1 prize. Those who get 100 out of 100, full fees will be refunded back. And that too to you, not to your parents.
No, sir, but
And in cash, not in check. Enjoy. Shall I clear it?
yeah, sir.
Yes.
Sir, 1 second. Sir, 1 second. Yeah, sir.
Okay. Relation between Newton and dyne. Relation between Newton and dyne. What is 1 Newton? है कोई माइकल आज जिसको मालूम है 1 Newton?
1 kg meter
1
second
kg
minus
meter per second
1
minus
kg
1.
into 1 meter second raised to minus 2. 1 kg is how many gram?
1000.
1000. 1 meter is how many centimeter?
100.
100. 1000 I wrote as 10 raised to 3. 100 I wrote as 10 raised to 2. चलेगा?
हाँ सर.
अरे रीना अभी आई सर फ्लैग होस्टिंग करने गई थी बिल्डिंग में. 10 raised to 5 gram centimeter second raised to minus 2. But gram centimeter second raised to minus 2 is called dyne or not? So 1
Yes, sir.
Newton is dash dyne.
10 raised to 5.
10
1
raised to
Newton
5.
is how many dyne? 10 raised to 5 dyne. 1 Newton how many dyne? 10 raised to 5 dyne. 1 Newton how many dyne?
10⁵.
10 raised to
Yes, do it.
done.
Okay. Shall I clear now?
Yeah.
So that force is rate of change of momentum. So that force is rate of change of momentum. We know that. Anybody knows what is rate of change of momentum? Last class we did.
Delta P upon delta T is equals to delta mv.
Equals to delta mv. Beautiful. क्या बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हो आप लोग. I really एकदम I'm elevated. Yes, delta mv, perfect. So if m is constant, can I write m delta v?
Yes, sir.
But delta t will come in denominator, no? Because we are talking about rate of change of
Yeah.
momentum.
Yes.
What is change in velocity upon time? Is it ma?
Hmm.
So can I say rate of change of momentum is ma?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
But Newton said something. By Newton's second law of motion, what Newton told? F is also ma. That means both are judwa by. Change in momentum ma. Force also ma. So can I say therefore from 1 and 2, you can say force is rate of change of momentum. Okay.
Sir, how m delta v upon delta t become ma?
What is beta acceleration defined as? Rate of change of velocity.
Velocity.
So delta v upon delta t means what? Rate of
Sir,
change
delta v
of.
means sir,
Pardon?
delta v means change of velocity, small change in velocity.
With respect to small change in time, that is called
Okay.
acceleration.
Meter per second. Square.
Yes, copy.
Sir, are you saying anything?
What?
Oh, sorry, sir. I thought I.
No. Any doubt? Tell me.
No, sir. I.
Okay. Done. Can I clear it?
Yes, sir.
State, very important. Newton's first law in the state, Newton's second law of motion. F equal to ma is called Newton's second law of motion. Mathematically, we proved F equal to ma. That statement we have to write now. According to Newton's second law of motion, according to Newton's second law of motion, the rate of change of momentum, the rate of change of momentum is directly proportional to the force applied, because we got F is rate of change of momentum. So rate of change of momentum is directly proportional to the force applied on it, and change in momentum takes place not in any direction but in the direction of force applied, and change in momentum takes place in the direction of force applied. Force is vector or scalar?
Scalar. No.
No, force has direction, so it is vector.
Vector.
Momentum is also vector. So according to Newton's second law of motion, rate of change of momentum is directly proportional to the force applied on it, and takes place, and change in momentum takes place in the direction of force applied. So very important, it is always in the direction of change in momentum. Now write this definition. After this, I will do 4 numerical for you today. Nimai, understanding, na Nimai?
Yes, sir.
Okay, because you have joined late, na? So any doubt you are getting, or you are smoothly understanding?
Sir, I understand.
Okay, thoda rahega, but in that lectures, recorded lectures, go through it. I think everything will be clear. Where you had gone, Nimai? Ladakh.
Yes, sir.
Many people are going Ladakh only. It's too good, or everybody has taken one place there? एक आता है, दूसरा जाता है.
No, sir, it's good.
अच्छा, मुझे लगा उधर घर भी रहे तो मुझे भी चाबी दो, मैं भी जाके आता हूँ. But was it awesome?
Yes, it was awesome.
And that lake also we went?
Yeah.
It's allowed to go to that lake?
Yeah, it's allowed.
Somebody told you have to take some government permission.
सर अभी नॉर्थ साइड में सब कुछ खुल गया है. सिक्किम में भी मैं गया था तब सब खुला था.
वो भी मस्त है ना?
हाँ सर वो तो awesome.
अरे यार टाइम निकालना पड़ेगा, अभी कैसे जाऊँ?
सर मेरा हो गया, मैं 1 मिनट वॉशरूम जाके।
हाँ हाँ, जाके आओ, जाके आओ। Can I clear the screen again? Yeah, Shaman, can I clear the screen? Bhavya?
No sir, just a minute.
Okay.
Yeah sir.
Okay. Now numerical I am doing. Page number 70 if you have textbook open.
Yes sir.
Page number 70. First sum. Data. Susu boy came. A body of mass 5 kg. Body of mass 5 kg. Everybody is there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Mass M is 5 kg. It is moving with velocity of 2 meter per second. What is linear momentum? Linear momentum is denoted by which alphabet? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O. Oh, P, 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 P. P is not Popper, P is linear momentum. So what is linear momentum? P, formula?
PP.
P, MV. M is 5, V is 2. I think nobody has forgotten table. 5 into 2 is 10. कितना डिफिकल्ट है ना, 5 2 और 10. कैलकुलेटर से करूँ क्या? केजी मीटर पर सेकेंड. डू फर्स्ट न्यूमेरिकल.
Sir second उत्तर है.
सेकेंड वन इंग्लिश में क्या मजाक कर रहे हो?
Yeah sir, second we do it on our own.
वो भी इंग्लिश में दिया है सेकेंड में. यू कैन रीड.
The linear momentum of a ball of mass 50 kg, sorry 50 grams,
हाँ.
is 0.5 kg meter per second.
Okay.
Find the
Linear momentum of a ball of mass 50 gram is equal to 0.5 kg meter per second. Find velocity. Allah, one is kg, other is gram. क्या
Sir,
करूँ अब?
we'll convert gram into kg.
How to convert gram into kg? पत्थर लेके आके up to क्या?
20 into 1000.
Divide by 1000. Yes, divide by 1000. It becomes in kg. Both units are now same.
सर आपने 100 लिखा है.
क्या बात कर रहे हैं? मेरे को चश्मा लग गया लगता. सॉरी, जीरो. एक और जीरो. आई वॉज चेकिंग. आपको 100,000 मालूम है क्या क्या होता है? 50/1000. रीना, व्हाट इज लीनियर मोमेंटम फॉर्मूला? यू जॉइन लेट. रीना, टेल द फॉर्मूला फॉर लीनियर मोमेंटम. रीना, यू आर देयर? रीना, 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 रीना. रीना, you are there? Oh. Rina, you are there? Good morning, everybody. Don't sleep, huh?
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. क्या बात कर रहे हैं? हाँ.
Sorry, good night.
Good night. Okay. P is mv. What is V formula then? P upon M? P upon M?
Yes, sir.
P 0.5. M 50 upon 100. 10 you can cancel. So I can say 5
10 meter per second.
100. 100 will go up. Yeah, Jadu, the 100 will go up. See the Jadu, 100 will go up. Can it go? This 100 can go up?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is 0.1 into 100? It's not difficult. Yeah. 0.1 into 100?
10.
10. So
One.
smart. Meter per second. Copy. Second one. 7.5. 10 meter per second.
Sir, even I have to leave at 9 o'clock.
No, still 5 minutes is there. Na? We all will leave at 5. अभी बिल्डिंग में फाफड़ा वो लोग डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर रहे जाके लेके आता हूँ.
सर मेरे बिल्डिंग में भी ऐसा होने वाला है.
कितना बजे?
डिस्ट्रीब्यूट नहीं करेंगे 9 बजे.
मतलब
पर
खुद
मैं
लाके.
अभी मेरे बिल्डिंग में नहीं हूँ, मैं नानी के घर पे हूँ.
हाँ तो उधर भी तो रहेगा ना. नानी के इधर तो और मिलता है ना. मामा भी लाएंगे, नानी भी लाएंगे, नाना भी लाएंगे. मामा में 2 माँ है ना. कितना प्यार मिलता है उधर. माँ 2 माँ. Completed?
Yes, sir.
हाँ सर.
One
completed.
last
Third
one.
also.
Third also. Who told? Where we have done third?
सर कर डाला, बहुत इजी था सर. F is
हाँ,
equal
sir.
to MA.
So, third and fourth. Can I give you homework then?
Yes,
हाँ
sir.
सर.
Okay. Third and fourth homework. Today then we'll stop here. Enjoy your Independence Day
फाफड़ा.
and eat fafda jalebi at Mama's house.
Yes sir.
एक
Yes, sir.
Bye sir.